All right, guys, welcome to writing prompt number 10. Today's writing prompt is, what is your typical day staying at home? What does that day look like for you? List the approximate times you get up, eat, and do specific things. Describe what you usually do. So what is your day like now that you are at home all the time? My day starts off with getting up, taking a shower, getting dressed and ready to go, and then I wake the baby up. He usually sleeps in pretty late, so I wake the baby up, then I get his diaper changed, and I feed him, and I put his little clothes on him, and then play with him for a little bit, and then he takes a nap so I can get some work done right now. And then he sleeps until about 11 o'clock, then he wakes up, and he has another bottle, and we play, and that's pretty much my morning day. And then we have lunch, and then he'll nap, and when he naps I usually do schoolwork on the computer for you guys, and then in the evening I do house chores like dishes and laundry and stuff like that. So my day has changed a lot. I used to get up at, I told you guys, like 4:30 in the morning. I'd get to school super early. By 6 o'clock I was at school working on stuff, getting ready for you all to come into the classroom. And then I would come home and I would do chores. And so my days have changed because not only am I working from home, but now I have a baby and I didn't have that before. So my days have changed a lot. So this is your writing prompt. What do you do? List the times you usually are doing these things. And then our brainstorming question is, do you miss being on a schedule? Why or why not? I know in the previous video I said I don't miss getting up early. That is something I told you guys. But I do miss being on a schedule. I miss having a set time and, routine to follow. So I miss having structure to my day. And that's something that I'm really trying hard to keep established while I'm at home, because it's really easy to get off of a routine or schedule. So that's what your guys' brainstorming question is going to be. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but don't forget to comment your answer to the brainstorming question. Write down your response to the writing prompt in your Google Doc. Make sure that Google Doc is shared with me so I can see your work, and we can go from there. Take care, guys.